A true marriage begins well before the wedding day, and efforts of marriage continue well beyond the ceremony. Marry your best friend. Most importantly, marry the one who gives you passion, love, madness combined and course through you.
You have been in my life for over 10 years, first as a friend and now as my life partner. I never would have imagined that the smiley, curly-headed boy that sat in front of me in our high school government class would one day stand in front of me as my husband.
To have found a love as real and as true as ours is all one could hope for. The foundation of friendship and understanding that we have cultivated through our time together is the perfect platform for our marriage to flourish from. I have dearly cherished getting to watch you grow into the countless versions of yourself from the time you were a Twilight-loving teenager to you now as a Twilight-loving adult.
Lexie is an awesome young person that we are very proud of. And Lexie was able to pick a fantastic young man. She obviously learned that from her mother.
Watching you change and grow inspires me to challenge myself and my understanding of what it means to live each day. And just as I see you and understand you, I feel seen and understood by you. You are my safe place to return to when life gets hard to bear. You allow me to be my true self without any pretenses.
Even before we dated, I knew you were a special person in my life because having you around always made things better. People genuinely love spending time with you because of how caring and kind you are to everyone. At the time, I felt lucky just to have you in my life as a friend. Now I feel even luckier to have you as my soon-to-be husband.
We've known Chase for a long time. I don't know how many years, probably almost 10 years. And we've always thought so highly of him. I couldn't ask for a better person to be my son-in-law. Today, I'm not losing a daughter, but I'm gaining a son.
Since the beginning of our relationship, you have always put my wants and needs first. You are patient with me when I am impatient. You listen when I need you to without complaint. And you always make me feel beautiful even when I don't believe it myself.
I will always provide the patience and compassion necessary for that love to last in a life so full of variables and unknowns. I swear to support you and stand by your side in each stage of life and under all circumstances. I'm making the easiest decision of my life today in front of you and all of our loved ones by choosing you today and always. I promise to always nurture and care for our love so that it continues to strengthen until the end.
As we become husband and wife, I vow that my love for you will continue to grow with each passing year.
I vow to be yours to the end of this life and then even after, because one lifetime with you just won't be enough. Thank you for loving me unconditionally. I'm so honored and excited to be your husband. I love you, Lexie.
Chase, you bring me so much happiness and light to my life. I know that being with you has made me into a better person and that my life would not be as amazing as it is right now without you in it. I can stand before all of our closest friends and family today and proudly say that I am the luckiest girl in the world to be marrying you, my best friend. I love you.
With the exchanging of vows and rings and the power vested by our God through the universal church, I pronounce you husband and wife. Chase, you may kiss your bride. Friends, may I present to you for the first time the husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Chase Williams.
Today is a very happy day, but it's been a pretty emotional day for me. It's a day that parents think about, their whole children's lives, and they talk about it, and that day is finally here. I have no doubt that these two will have a wonderful future together. I'm so happy and proud for them both. I'm proud to officially welcome Chase into our family, as well as his parents, Bonnie and JD, and his extended family. May you have many years of light, love, and laughter as you begin this adventure together.